Hey there, tech fans. Rick here again with another review. And today, I have the brand new Meta Quest 3 mixed reality headset. Now, this is a third generation product from Meta, and it's faster, it's smarter, it's got better graphics, and it's a mixed reality headset, which is different than the Quest 2 product, which was a virtual reality headset. And the difference between those two is that VR, or virtual reality, puts you in an environment completely immersing you into that environment. So when you slide on the Quest 2 headset, everything is dark around you except for the screen in front of you, and again, it transports you to the game or the location or whatever you're viewing on that screen. In contrast, the mixed reality headset like this one incorporates the environment you're standing in. So if you're in your living room, the things that are in your living room will still be seen in addition to all the information that's being displayed on the screen. So it's really kind of a step up, if you will, from virtual reality because you're interacting with your environment while more information is on that screen to augment what you're seeing in front of you. And I'll get into all that in a bit. But today's video is just going to be an unboxing of the product because it just showed up at my doorstep today, and I can't wait to get inside and start playing with this product because there's so many improvements in this over the Quest 2, which we spent a lot of time talking about and playing and having a lot of fun with, that we're so excited to get inside this and start playing some of the games. So some of the basic specifications. Again, it's a third generation headset. It's faster. It's got twice the graphics power because it's using the brand new Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 chipset, which is used in a lot of computers. A lot of graphics engines use that. So it's an incredibly sophisticated gaming machine that's on your head. That is a screen in front of you. But it's also used for a ton of other things. So if you're a gamer, this is going to be a home run for you. But if you like to travel virtually, you can put this on, show up in the pyramids in Egypt. You can go to Ireland. You can go wherever you want and walk the streets and turn your head and look around. You can meet friends online. You can actually go to social events where other people are wearing headsets and you're virtually getting together. You can go to concerts where you put this thing on and you're looking at a concert and there's the artist right up on stage and you've got a front row view. So it is a gaming headset, but it's so much more than a gaming headset. And we'll talk about all that in future clips, and I'll talk a little bit about it today. But I want to get inside the unit. Now, the unit is actually offered in two different memory sizes. So you can use it in 128 gigabytes or the 512 gigabytes. Now, that's important because the games are stored on the headset. So if you use the smaller capacity model, you'll have less room for games, which means you have to shuffle games on and off the headset. The 512 gigabyte gives you a lot more capacity on the headset, so you can load up more games. And if you've got big games that have really intense graphics, the 512 is better. But the basic kit comes with the headset, two controllers, it comes with a charging brick, and it comes with a cable and a couple of batteries for the controllers. But one other cool thing with this mixed reality headset is you can use the controllers like you did on the Quest 2, but you can also use your hands. You can pinch your fingers and do things because, again, you're looking at augmented reality or mixed reality where you can see your hands, so you can do things with your hands. You don't even need the controllers. I'm so excited to get inside this box. Anyway, that's enough talking for now. Let me open the box and show you what comes with the basic kit, and as I go through it, I'll explain some of the products and how you use them. All right, so let's get inside. All right, let me slide the sleeve off. Uh-oh, it's stuck. There's a rip thing here. Hold on. Let me open this up. You can tell that it's sealed up. I haven't opened it yet. But man, anytime new technology shows up, we go through the same thing. I got to get super excited to get inside a box. Oh, it's not letting me open it. Oh, there's another one on this side. All right, so there's two little strips you got to tear off to get the box open. All right, that's the second one. Sleeves off. Let me put that right over there. Let me get rid of these guys. All right, now, is it a puzzle? Can I get inside the box? This is your first quest, is to open up the box. All right, there's the cardboard. It's a very substantial box. And let me open it up. Oh, please open. Don't embarrass me here. Oh, there we go. Okay, the top's open. I thought there might be a combination lock on the front. All right, let me just drink this in for a second. Oh, there it is, man. Here's the headset. Now, if you used the Quest 2 before, this looks pretty similar to the Quest 2, but I can already tell that it's got a couple of improvements over the Quest 2. It looks like the front part of it is a little bit more cushioned, and they've definitely upgraded the strap. The strap is a little bit better. It's got a split over the top on the head, because one of the challenges with these virtual reality or augmented or mixed reality headsets is they tend to be heavy. So it's important, not overburdeningly heavy, but heavy enough where you notice them. By having a good strapping system like this one has, it balances that weight across your head. So you don't feel like it's heavy in the front because it's balanced across the entire head. That split strap helps a lot because a single strap coming down the back puts all that weight right in the back of your head. This kind of spreads it across the back of your head. So good job on that. Oh, here's the controllers. Oh, these are cool. These are a lot smaller. Look how small those controllers are. Boy, you're in good shape there. So you want to use the wrist straps, right? Keep those on your wrist, because I'm here to tell you, once you get into those virtual environments or the augmented reality environments, you get excited, you know, and you're throwing these things around, fighting bad guys, or you're shooting stuff, or whatever you're doing. These things can go flying, and you don't want to fly in at somebody in the room or at a lamp or at your TV. So make sure you use those wrist straps. That's definitely going to protect you. But yeah, it's different. The pads are different. The buttons have a really nice tactile feel to them, and the joysticks are so smooth. And you got the triggers on the front and the trigger on the side as well. So they've done a great job with redesigning these, and they're incredibly light. The last generation with the Quest 2, a little bit heavier, a little bit bigger. Not that they were, you know, ungangly or anything, but they were just a little bit more in your hands. Boy, these feel so natural. They've really done a great job. They've even curved the side so your finger comes right up underneath that button. So really good job on those controls. What else is in here? Let's see. Oh, there's a box in the bottom. What could be in here? I don't know. Open it up, Rick. Let's take a look. All right. Well, we know we got the headset, we got the controllers. There's probably a charger and some cables in here. Oh, look at that. It slides open so nice. They really think about the packaging. And what that tells me about a company is they really want the experience of opening the product and enjoying it for the first time, like we're doing together, to be really nice. And they've done a great job here. All right, so that slides off. Let me get rid of that. And inside here, you've got a charger. And boy, isn't that unique. It's a round charger. Okay, I'm excited about design like this, any kind of physical design. So normally these are bricks and they're kind of boring. That's kind of nice. It's got a nice round charger. All right, there's that. Here's the charging cable, which is, wow, that feels really flexible. Let me get a feel for that. Boy, that's nice. That's not going to kink up on you. So about a 3-foot charging cable. It's USB-C to USB-C. So you've got it, whoa, look out. You've got a USB-C connection on here and a USB-C connection on the goggles. Plug it into the charging brick, plug this into the goggles, and charge them up. Now these will run for 2.2 hours on a full charge. That's a lot of gaming time. And let me caution you, even though you can get extended batteries for the back of this, you want to take a break every so often, because I'm promising you, once you're in that virtual environment, you feel like you're in that environment, and it can throw your balance off a little bit. It throws your perspective off a little bit. So my recommendation is about a half an hour of gameplay. Take a break, get a drink of water, and then come back and play the game again. But 2.5 hours or 2.2 hours. Okay, instruction manuals. All right, and that's it. The box is empty. So inside here, there's a main instruction manual, quick start guide, some warranty information, and some cautionary information as well. Probably telling you, don't play this thing for 7 hours straight, because you're going to come out of there, you're going to be all disheveled about your perspective. So give it a good half an hour and then get the heck out of there. The last thing I want to say, now that we've unboxed this, and again, this will get you started. You'll need the application on your phone. That's where you download the games and purchase games if you want them. There are 500 plus titles. So this will play all of the Quest 2 titles and a ton new titles that have been upgraded to handle this mixed reality environment. So anything you've played before is now supercharged to be able to be played on the Quest 3. So for me, I just love the Quest 2. I can tell you, we play that thing a lot. And I like it. It's not only games we're playing, but it's, you know, going to the movies, watching a movie on a big screen, or, you know, meeting people, or travel. I've used it a lot for travel. I spend a lot of time understanding other countries and other cultures. And a lot of times I'll want to travel and I'll put the headset on, and you can actually put it on and walk through the streets of Paris, so that if you're flying to Paris for a vacation, you'll know where everything is. You'll know going down this street, you can find the Arc de Triomphe. You go down that street, you can find the Louvre. You can find a lot of different things. So it is great for the kids. It's great for games, but it's also wonderful for parents that you can do a lot of stuff. So 500 plus titles gives you a lot of diversity to use this to check out all those different titles. And that's pretty much all I had for today. Now, this was a really quick unboxing just to show you everything that comes with the basic kit. But I think it's going to be a great product. I haven't put it on yet, but even if it's just as good as the Quest 2, I've now got mixed reality in addition to the virtual reality, and I just can't wait to start playing with this. So hopefully you found this unboxing helpful. I'll have more. Stay tuned. And until next time, as always, stay nerdy.